Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Monday, March 5th, going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold did have this dip buying candle here. Had a little bit of upside, but what we need to do on the daily is you can clearly see that we are setting lower highs here on these bounce attempts and lower lows. What we need to do is at this point break, bulls want to break above 1342.90. Before that, what we need to do is regain the 20 MA here, the middle Bollinger Band, which is at 1329.20. Looking at the 4-hour. 4-hour, I would be a little bit cautious if we're unable to break this recent high here of 1328.90. Support that it must hold on the 4-hour for me is this new low that's been established at 1318.30. So I would look for 1318.30 to break for the bears tomorrow if that happens, and for the bulls I would like to see 1328.90 break. Looking at the hourly. Looking at the hourly, clearly setting a lower low at this point by breaking under this higher low of 1320.50. So this bounce attempt right now currently is back testing the 20 MA on the hourly, and it is rejecting. So tomorrow, if you're watching the hourly, I would see if it's able to get above the 20 MA. Currently on the hourly at 1323.20, and then break this high here of 1324. This chart could change overnight. We are close to a bullish MACD on the hourly, but not quite there yet. So need to be a little careful and wary of that hourly chart here. Rejecting at the 20 MA, need to be a little bit wary that we did break to a lower low on the hourly chart after setting higher highs and higher lows. Weekly chart. Weekly chart. Lower highs and lower lows on the weekly chart. Must hold for bulls 1303.60. They did hold the back test of the 20 MA, and they did hold above 1300. I know in the past when it's broken 1300, really bears stepped in and took gold down. So 1300 is a very important level. So this is the line in the sand that the bulls have drawn at 1303.60, right at the back test of the 20 MA. And so that is the level that the bulls want to maintain longer term here on this weekly chart. Looking at miners, I'm looking at JNUG today. JNUG, what I was watching today. Remove that. You clearly see that we had higher highs and higher lows, and once that broke, got out and then waited for another trade here once it broke to a higher high on the 5-minute by breaking above 1327. That's a nice upside, established a higher low from that low there, and then closed strong. We'll see if we get some continuation tomorrow. There's some decent volume to close the day on the 5-minute candle here. Let me see what that looks like on the 1-minute. Zoom back. So the 1-minute, some decent bull volume to close the day for JNUG. So we'll look for continuation tomorrow if gold can hold up overnight above those support levels. Looking at the senior miners, look at the 5-minute. That is after hours volume, so not really going to count that. That's just book settling. Some decent volume there to close the day. And there's not much volume today, huh? Let me look at the daily volume here on senior miners. Relatively low volume day. It was increasing increasing bull volume from the bear volume yesterday. So increasing bull volume here from the bear volume as well. So could be some accumulation going on here on the miners here. Clearly on the daily, what I would like to see tomorrow happen is break 21.89. Once we break 21.89, then clear 22.25, and that would change the trend for on the daily chart. You can clearly see rejection at the 20 MA the first time, and setting lower highs, and setting from the high here, setting lower lows. So we'll see if we've established a low above this recent low here of 2084. That low was at 2094. So we want to hold 2094. Want to break the high here of 2189. If I see a break of 21, honestly, if I see a break of today's high, then I would take a position there with a trailing stop loss. Break above this high here of 2189. We'll continue to ride it, and then of course I'll swing it if it's able to close above the 20 MA and see if it can take out this lower high here at 22.25. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.